back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we'd love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. On a recent trip to California, we stayed at Ayres Hotel in Redlands. First impressions when I walked in, I was very happy with the room. It had a seating area which made the room feel extra spacious. I also noticed that the lamps had USB ports and plugs, which is handy for charging. The room had a great sized mini bar which also had a freezer. There was a microwave, a safe and also an ice bucket on hand. There was also a large TV opposite the bed. I found a wardrobe with an iron and some hangers to hang up a few pieces. There was also a coffee machine and plenty of counter space for my toiletries. I would even say there was enough room for 2 people to use this area at once, and a hairdryer, which I'll be using to wash my hair after this 14-hour flight. There was also a few extra toiletries, which was a great touch. The bathroom itself was very spacious and also had shampoo, conditioner and body wash. But my favourite feature of the room was definitely the blackout curtains. This was a great added touch. The next morning we headed to the restaurant to grab breakfast, which was included in our stay. It was an American style breakfast with cereal, muffins, waffles, eggs and a few other bits. After breakfast, it was time to explore the hotel, and we noticed that there was a fire pit, a barbecue, a pool and spa, and also a gym. In addition, the hotel also offered complimentary parking and high-speed Wi-Fi. Afterwards we checked out and it was time to start our road trip. We really loved our stay here, and although short, we would definitely recommend Ayres Hotel. We hope you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our travel experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we really look forward to seeing you in our next video.